told you so extra.
Hey beautiful people, hello riders, how you guys doing? Oh my word, it feels so good to say that after 3 weeks I haven't posted, and I do apologize. Please, you guys have been coming for me, and today's video is also another video that actually hasn't been up on my channel for the longest time. You guys have been coming for me about like a hair video, and I know I haven't done one in forever. Yo guys, when last did I do actually like a hair tutorial?
Miss Jackson.
Yo, I honestly cannot remember. I think it was during lockdown. I can't remember. And I do apologize guys. I'm so sorry, because I mean, main reason why my channel started is because of a healthy natural hair journey, and taking you guys through my journey as well, and how to take care of my hair. So as you guys know, my hair is color treated, and so basically I do apologize for falling off on that front, guys. I'm so sorry. I am so excited for today's video guys. So excited. Sorry, that is my phone. So basically today I'm going to be basically showing you how you can style medium to longish hair, not long but medium to long hair. If you sort of like fail when it comes to doing certain hairdos that are quick, and you just want to be out the house, so this video is all about that. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Guys, please do subscribe, okay? But thank you so much for the support so far that you guys have shown me, for the love that you guys have shown me, and for always like riding for me all the freaking time. You guys are the best. So I'm just gonna get started with the video. Oh, actually guys, the last time I attempted to try 5 different hairstyles, I remember it was with my daughter Umpile, and that was like 2 years ago, and that was like an epic fail. But anyway, let's just get started with the video. So the first hairdo that I'm going to start with is also one of my favorite hairstyles that is very quick to do, and because I do work, so I find it very easy and very cute and very funky still, you know, to do and stuff. So it's the half up half down. This is an old twist out using Imbue Curls products. As you guys know, I am the brand ambassador for Imbue Curls South Africa. Okay, moving right along. So yeah, I used the cream, I used the curl empowering cream gel. I'll put the details down below of what I used to achieve my twist out. I've had it for about a couple of days. Actually, it's been about 4 days. So yeah, I'm gonna get straight into it. So what you're gonna need is a few tools, obviously. So I'm gonna quickly show you how to do the half up half down.
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this.
So guys, there you have it, the first look, okay? The half up half down. This is one of my go-to hairstyles, especially when I'm in a rush and I need to be at the house in a jiffy. So this is one of the hairstyles that I go to. I think it's perfect for a day out with the girls. I think it's perfect for the office, especially on like a Friday, casual Friday, and I also think it's perfect maybe for like a nice cute casual date night with the bae. But definitely during the day, I think lunchtime vibes. No, not date night, lunchtime vibes, because you know it still has a bit of that casual element to it. So yeah, I don't know what you guys think. I hope you guys like it. It's very quick, literally takes you less than 5 minutes. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, so the next hairdo that I'm gonna do, I think that is definitely for date night. It's an updo, and so yeah, let's get right into it.
All I got, I'm dreaming, or could it be a
few... Guys, so there you have it. I think this is the perfect date night look. I really love it. I actually hardly ever do this hairstyle. I think I sleep on this hairstyle a lot. Like, I really do. I really think that it's very classy. It's very chic, you know. It's very sophisticated, you know. You can rock this at the office. You can rock this definitely on date night and wear your cute nice little black dress, you know, or your nice cute red dress, you know. So I really like it. I think I need to do this more often. I really do. So let me know what you guys think. I think this is so bomb. It's so cute. So let's do hairstyle number 3.
Never had that kiss. Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Get like this. Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting. Keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well,
Hairstyle. I really love this, guys. I think I've also been sleeping on this hairstyle. Wait, guys, can we talk about my contour? Can we talk about my highlighter, honey? Can we talk about my highlighter? Okay, sorry. But guys, oh my word, I love this hairstyle. I think this is another hairstyle that I've literally been sleeping on. I think it's so pretty. This is also perfect, guys, for like a corporate girl. It's perfect for when you're a student as well. It's perfect for a girl's day out. Definitely a girl's night out. It's perfect for date night as well. I think it's so pretty. But guys, do let me know what you guys think of these hairstyles, okay? Let me know if you guys are going to be trying them. But I really love this. I think this is another favorite. I think this is another favorite of mine. I don't know. I really think this is another favorite. And actually, I'm thinking of rocking it tomorrow at the office. Actually, I've been sleeping on this hairstyle as well. So yeah, the next hairdo is actually something that's quite easy. It's my go-to. Definitely when I'm in a rush, it's literally my go-to. It's so fast, it's so easy. And guys, can we talk about the Imbue Curl Empowering Cream Gel? Like, it laid my hair. It laid my hair, guys. This is this is a favorite for me. And it's also more than just a gel. It's also a cream. It's very moisturizing. Nourishes your hair, keeps your hair moist. Unlike a gel that would literally flake your hair, this does not do that. This is a cream and a gel at the same time. So it's infused with both, and it's an ultimate favorite. So let's go to the fourth hairstyle, we're almost done actually. Let's go to the fourth hairstyle. Okay guys, so the fourth hairstyle that we are going to do is the high puff. Okay, it's also one of my favorite go-tos, and it's quite easy. And so yeah, let's get right into it.
Damaged. One man's trash is enough.
So yes, honeys, this is the fourth do. Also very popular, but I decided to add my signature over here, guys. Y'all know, if y'all been following me on my channel for the past 2 years, you will know this is my go-to hairstyle. Like, this is my go-to hairstyle. Like, totally love it. So let me know what you guys think. So this is quite easy, also perfect for work, perfect for school, you know, perfect for a girls' day out, girls' night out. I normally rock it on girls' night out most of the time. So yeah, let me know what you guys think.
Baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Space
Hey guys, so now to the fifth hairstyle.
TNT going off in here. Ain't we up there? Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. One more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let.
So guys, there you have it. 5 different hairstyles, 5 different hairdos, from medium, short to longish hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you guys will be trying these hairstyles at home. So what do you think of the final look? I really love it. I think it's cute. Even this hairstyle, I haven't done it in forever. I haven't done it in years actually. So it's actually been quite nice to revisit these hairstyles that I used to do when I was still, you know, starting my hair journey. You know, starting a hair journey is never easy, and sometimes you don't know what to do with your hair. You don't know how to style your hair. And I know some people feel a little less confident sometimes in rocking their natural hair. And for me, that is why I embarked on this journey. That is why I started this journey, to also document sometimes my insecurities, and to also help other women to also love and embrace their crowns, to love and embrace their curls, because our curls, our coils, our kinks are beautiful, and they are just freaking amazing, guys. Like, our hair is beautiful, our hair is amazing. We have amazing good hair, and don't ever let anybody tell you otherwise, okay? So yeah guys, I hope you loved this tutorial, hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of this video. I will be doing more hair tutorials. Also give me suggestions of what other hairdos or hairstyles that you guys would like me to cover that I haven't covered in the longest time. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Thank you again for your support. Thank you for subscribing. 4,000 subscribers, guys. We are growing. Thank you guys so much. I love and appreciate each and every one of you. So till the next video, I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? Mwah.
Yeah.